Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you need a kitchen garden, why you need to plant your own vegetables around your home. You're welcome. Some of these reasons are going to be shocking. Number 5 is my outstanding, so you have to watch this video to the end. You're welcome. My name is Asperia if you're watching me for the very first time. So let's get right into the video. Very first reason why you need a kitchen garden, because there's a lot of contamination going on, especially for those of you who buy market vegetables. Now, most of the vegetables that we buy from the local markets around, we have no idea where they come from. Now, when you look around, you find that sometimes the vegetables look clean, but you discover that a lot is being done to these vegetables before they sell them to us. I'm going to put for you a video on the screen where you're going to see very unhygienic and unhealthy way of washing vegetables that people are putting in market. And those are the vegetables that we are buying for consumption at our homes. Our children are eating them even without washing them. So it is very risky to just buy vegetables, yet you could plant them around your home. When you look at this video, you discover that this person is washing vegetables wrongly in a sewage. Now, this is a manhole which is supposed to be for taking fecal matters, but this is where some of the vegetables are being washed before they are taken to the market. When you look around, you find that sometimes people are using stagnant water to wash the cabbages, the carrots, and when you buy these things, the children are consuming them and they get diseases. So to avoid or to reduce on the risk of those diseases, it is very important for you to embrace urban farming, be able to plant these vegetables around your home. Then number 2, for nutrition purposes. Now, if you discover, you find that most of the nutrition values that we need in our bodies, they are found in vegetables, of which when you try to go into the market, they are very expensive, and sometimes we get lazy, you find we don't buy them. So if they are around your home, you have planted them, they will always give you that appetite for you to eat them and eat them, and then that will improve on the nutrition, and your body will have healthy bodies and healthy minds. So make sure you plan to plant these vegetables around your home. Number 3, it saves you a lot of money. Now, when you look in your kitchen, most of the money we spend it on vegetables, tomatoes, eggplants, greens, onions, and these are things that we can grow easily at our homes. When then the money that you'll be carrying and taking to the market, you use it to sustain the garden, and then you'll be able to get enough. If you're to buy vegetables, for example, if I'm to buy spinach for my home, you find that you're going to spend more than $3 in Uganda here to be able to have one meal. Now, you need to eat those vegetables, especially for nutritional benefits. When you count the money, you find that it's not going to be very affordable for you. So, growing these vegetables is way more cheaper and sustainable around your home. And then another thing, nature. When you have these vegetables, you have green spaces. Like you always have a very beautiful compound. They look really good. On top of the beauty, they work as flowers, but as well as food. So when you grow these around your homes, you have a very beautiful environment that is green, and that helps you a lot because they take in your carbon dioxide and they give you oxygen. So make sure you grow these vegetables around your home. Now, number 5, you get access to fresh vegetables from your garden. Now, when you plant vegetables, you always pick them when you need to take them in the kitchen. Compared to when you just buy and then you have to keep them in your refrigerator, they lose their nutritional values. You find that you are eating things that which do not even have any values in them. So when you grow them, you have access to fresh and sweet vegetables that are not contaminated. And then number 6, you find that when you grow your vegetables, you're going to grow them organically. Now, there is a lot of contamination around whereby people are using a lot of toxic chemicals which have even been banned from being used. They are used to be they are spraying them on the vegetables because they are going to sell them. Some farmers are really desperate that they will use everything to get money at the expense of other people's lives. So when you grow them, you have a chance of, limiting the chemical usage in your home. Even when you have just sprayed, you know that I'm not going to eat because they are still contaminated until a given period of time. So you have control over what you consume, you know. So make sure you embrace urban farming. We've shared tips on how to grow these vegetables around your home. When I started growing vegetables around my home, it saved me a lot of money, and it's a hobby as well. And you find that you enjoy everything. You get fresh. If you want fresh sugarcane, you just break and eat. You know, it is always available. And on days when you're broke, you find that you are able, to have something to sell. If you cannot you consume all the vegetables, then you have another chance of selling them. So you'll be bringing in income as well. So I believe you found something helpful in this video. If that is so, consider subscribing, like this video, share it with your friends, and do not forget subscribe. Bye.